Moving day can be stressful, but here is something many people overlook. Keeping your movers happy can actually make your move smoother, faster, and less stressful for everyone. So how do you do that? Here are a few steps to follow. First, be prepared before the movers arrive. Have everything packed, labeled, and ready to go. When movers do not have to wait around or guess what goes where, the whole day runs more smoothly. Next, clear pathways in your home. Move boxes, rugs, and obstacles out of walkways. This helps movers work safely and efficiently, and it shows respect for their time and effort. Offering basic refreshments also goes a long way. Simple things like cold water, sports drinks, or coffee can make a big difference, especially on long or hot moving days. Communication matters too. Be clear about what needs special care, but avoid micromanaging. Trust the professionals you hired to do their job. And finally, if your movers do a great job, consider tipping. It is not required, but it is always appreciated and reflects good service. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.